Good morning, Lisa.
Good morning.
What are you doing?
I'm getting ready for the day. Putting my face cream, my eye cream, serum. Let's not forget serum because camping might be camping, but the face ain't getting any younger. What's for breakfast? Shall we go forage for some mushrooms?
Oh, yes.
Maybe go milk a cow, get some milk.
Where do you want to find the cow?
Just let me dream. I'm creating my little house in the prairie.
Okay,
Moment over here.
so
Now we're going out for our foraging experience, a foraging hike, and also navigational. Oh, this is dandelion, and it's edible. Every part of the dandelion is edible and very medicinal. So you can use it to make. You can have it raw.
Really? Yeah. I think never knew dandelions were
Turkeys,
edible.
you can have it raw. Can I cut you? Always ask for permission.
you can eat this. You can also eat the roots. Everything about
This is edible, actually. Yes.
Dandelion is edible.
Everything about dandelion is edible.
So good. Oh, these are berries. They're not ready yet. Here they are.
So we just gonna
Some of them are ready. We're not just surviving, we're thriving. You see, I'm telling you, this is grape varieties. So we can have dessert as well. Oh my god, check out this view. Such a magical forest. Now, this is where I want to camp. Here.
Are you going down or no?
Of course I'm going down. What do you think I am?
Lisa.
I'm here to get mushrooms. I'm here to survive. We know we can shower here. Oh, cyclamens. Cyclamens, so good. If we had one more day, I would come here at 6 a.m., meditate and make an elixir and see what they're all about, what their medicine is. What did we find? Mushrooms, where?
Here.
Oh my god, so many.
Gigantic.
They're gigantic. There are the mushrooms. So if you zoom in over there, you can see them on the tree, and then down where the stream is. So many. It's literally like,
Oh, it's like a shell.
it's like a shell.
Yeah, they're dried out.
They look so weird. Look like cake. Do you know what these mushrooms are? If you do, let us know in the comments. Are we officially lost?
Google Maps.
Shall I panic?
Mark's
No, yeah.
location.
Okay,
No panicking just yet.
okay,
You can panic in 5 minutes.
okay. I can do that. I love how I'm leading the way, but I have no idea where I'm going.
You keep going, George. You
I
got
can
this.
protect us against dementors,
Exactly.
vampires,
Go on.
werewolves.
Right. Ideally, Dementors, please. We don't
Okay,
want
all right. I can't leave the house without the wand.
Yeah, this one.
Duh. We're learning about survival. That's the whole point.
And you have a wand.
Always have a wand with you.
You have a pointy stick.
Can it point to the right direction towards the camp?
It's about casting spells and
will point in a certain
curses
direction.
and
I think
healing you when something goes
Yeah.
wrong. There is another crossroad. Is this a time to panic?
Not yet.
Okay. Are we resting?
Some of us
Okay,
did.
is it tea time? I think let's just wait here for them to come. They can't even call us because we don't have freaking signal. We have a wand. I can Axio them here. I was like Axio team. We thought we were lost and we panicked, but I kept everyone calm. Yes,
With your wand.
with my wand. Challenge now is we have to make a debris hut. So in case there is no shelter, we can't find a cave, we can't find a rock to hide underneath, we can't find a dead tree to use for shade and shelter, but we need to keep alive, we can create a debris hut. Have you stopped procrastinating? Come on. Keep moving.
We're working. Get the sticks, baby.
So we've set up the frame for the hut. Now the final step will be to fill it up and surround it with leaves, dried leaves for insulation, and they need to be at least 1 foot thick. It's the moment of truth.
How are you feeling?
uncomfortable.
Why would you say that?
So this is how it looks from the inside. Not the most comfortable place, but it will keep you warm and safe.
Let's start the fire.
The witch hunts are over.
Yorgo, do you see that?
Everyone's watching you to look good while you're doing it. Yes!
This is ridiculous.
What are your thoughts?
This is ridiculous.
This is ridiculous.
I've survived.
These are my confessions, it's now or never. Oh, how you gonna live forever? I'm just gonna live while I'm alive.
It's not your life.
My life.
So here we are. This is the end of our 2-day survival and bushcraft training. We've just finished building the debris hut. I tested it out. It was
Yes.
fun, I should say.
He felt like a corpse, honestly. I
was-
loved it there.
Yeah, well, it was a nature nymph, Sargis, not a corpse.
I feel definitely more awakened and more bound to the nature. Like there's a bigger connection. I rested here and actually I felt more alive, more awakened here compared to when I'm, for example, in my flat or in a city.
I felt the same thing as well. I gotta say that was my highlight as well. I found myself wanting to sleep more. And I realized how sleep deprived I am because I would spend so much time at home facing my computer all the time. And that keeps me awake for a longer period of time. I don't sleep in enough hours. I wake up early and then I find myself craving sleep and craving connection with nature and craving rest. So this was a big lesson for me to prioritize my basic needs, to prioritize sleep, food, connecting with nature, spending time with myself. Otherwise, when your cup is not full, what do you have to give other people? So thank you so much for coming along with us on this trip. We hope you enjoyed it. We hope you learned something, and make sure you're following me for more tools and processes all about finding and following your life purpose.